Welcome to this short overview of Netmaker's DNS management system, which explains how we make it easy to access your services using domain names. A Netmaker network may consist of many devices and routes, as well as potentially internet access. Without DNS, you would be stuck using IP addresses to access all of your services, which can be confusing and difficult to manage. All devices added to a Netmaker network are assigned a virtual IP address, which can be used to access the device. Our internal DNS system also automatically creates a DNS entry for each device, making it more easily accessible. A suffix is appended automatically to all device names. You can modify this suffix to whatever you would like, using the system settings. You can also add any arbitrary entry to Netmaker's internal DNS, whether it's to a device in your network or anywhere else. Netmaker can forward traffic to local environments such as office LANs, using our egress feature. However, by default, you will need to access the local services using IP addresses. You can add the private nameserver in these environments into your DNS settings within Netmaker, allowing you to use the private domain names when accessing the local services. You can even set up search domains within Netmaker, allowing you to use shorthand names to access the services. Lastly, you may want to configure public DNS settings for when users are accessing the internet while using Netmaker. For upstream DNS, you can use Netmaker itself, public DNS services, or your own custom nameserver. Using Netmaker's DNS system, you can manage DNS for every scenario, including for virtual IPs, local environments, and the internet. In summary, Netmaker gives you an internal DNS server, as well as options to rely on custom public and private nameservers, depending on the scenario. You can set custom suffixes, create custom entries, use a custom name server, configure match domains, and combine all of these options into one seamless DNS system. And that concludes our overview of DNS in Netmaker. If you would like to learn more, check out our other videos and documentation on our website. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.